Yo, what's up guys? We're back at the shop, as you can see. I'm just going to try to get some things done around the shop, get some things ready for the speed to install the bags. I can start prepping the bags. Show you here. I did buy some Loctite, or some thread lock, I guess. Well, not thread lock, I'll show you. This right here. Thread sealant. So that should work well with everything I need to plumb into my airbag system. As you can see, this is just loose here. So I'm gonna maybe remove that old Teflon tape or just put it over top of it and thread it back into here. Possibly install them into the car, maybe not, I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, we're gonna do that. Also, I have to, I might screw around with the lower control arms again for the rear. Like I showed you guys, there's already one under there. And I've been debating on if I'm gonna be running a rear sway bar or not. I've been asking around, and I guess it's pretty common for airbag setups not to run that sway bar. The main reason is with those control arms, it's not gonna work. As you can see there, that tie rod end is not gonna have anywheres to connect to on that control arm like it did on the stock ones. I'll show you here. Right here. Connects right in underneath. And there's nowheres to do that on these. So I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do. I might weld a plate right onto it and then try to connect it. Connect the sway bar end link to it so I can run the sway bar. Or I might just try without the sway bar altogether. Like what most people do, and see if it's really any different. If I do notice that the car drives a little bit wonky or a little bit different, I'll probably just take them out and or put the sway bar back in and try to mock something up so I can use it. But that will be for later on. I think what I'm going to be doing today is going to be getting into the hatch here, and what I can't do is open my hatch because Tech Package Life doesn't allow me to open the hatch because my battery is dead. So I don't have a jumper anymore, and I don't even have cables because I don't know what happened to them. I fried them or something. They're melted. Threw them out a long time ago. So I'm gonna have to take this battery out, get one out of the beater 3, take it out of there, throw it in. We'll get a cold start for the video too while we're at it. We'll get into the hatch and start cleaning up the area I want to mount my tank, my air compressor, and my management. I want to have a nice clean setup in the hatch, and I want to make sure everything's done right and done clean. I do have sound deadening, which I forgot at my house, which I will be putting all in the trunk. I might go get that so I can do that today. I'm not too sure yet, but definitely going to be sound deadening the trunk because it is, with the exhaust and the compressor for the meth, and now the compressor for the air, it's going to be extremely loud, and I don't need any more cabin noise inside this thing because it's already stupid loud straight pipe. So I'm going to sound deaden the whole back and see if it makes a big difference. I'm hoping it does. It was pretty expensive stuff, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm just going to be kind of all over the place with this thing, just trying to get done what I can, and yeah, I'll bring you guys along. Alright, new battery installed. I mean, battery out of the beater. Right there. Need to get this charged or jumped or something, but we should have power to start this beast now. So here is the hatch, what it's looking like right now. Just the sub in there, my meth compressor, my tank obviously. So I think today I'm going to be cleaning it out, vacuuming it, scrubbing it, and getting ready to lay down the sound deadening, because it's going to have to be nice and clean for that to stick. And then I can go ahead and get measurements for the wheel well space there for a piece of wood, because that's where I'll be mounting my compressor management, that sort of stuff. And then yeah, we'll be able to get on with the air install really whenever the parts come. So here is the sound deadening mat. Got this off Amazon. It's called, well, it's from Noiko Solutions. Instructions. And I got 2 boxes of it. So this stuff is supposedly really high quality. This is kind of hard to show you, but it's how thick it is. I forget the exact specs. 2 millimeters thick, and it covers 10 square feet. It's really heavy, but yeah, that's the sound deadening. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hop in the trunk here, the hatch, and I'm gonna vacuum everything out first, and then I'm gonna go in and spray everything down with some spray 9 or some super clean, and I'm gonna wipe everything up. So yeah, let's get into it.